Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Mathematics Part 1 Standard 10. Now we are going to study practice set 1.4 of chapter 1 linear equation in two variables. See the first question, solve the following simultaneous equation. First sum, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Here x and y is in the form of in the denominator. See, let's now 2 upon x minus 3 upon y I write in the form of, see here, 2 multiply by 1 upon x separate because x is in the denominator. 1 upon x minus 3 multiply by 1 upon y, write in the bracket, is equal to 50. That is your first equation. And 8 multiply by again 1 upon x. See, instead of 8 upon x I write here 1 upon x plus 5 multiply by 1 upon y, means here 5 and 8 which are in the numerator, and I here separate denominator, is equal to 77. That is second equation. Now here in both equation, see 1 upon x, 1 upon y. So let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So these two equation become, see, 1 upon x write a means 2a minus 3b. Instead of 1 upon y you write b, means another variable. You can be take any variables from a to z, okay, but not x and y. Minus 3b is equal to 15, which is third equation. 2a minus 3b is equal to 15, that is your third equation. Then see second equation, 8 1 upon x write a plus 5 1 upon y write b is equal to 77. That is your fourth equation. Now see these two equations, third and fourth. Now you solve first these two equation. So here b variables we want to equal variable. Which one you want? B variable. So multiplying this third equation by 5 and fourth equation by 3, okay, means here see different sign, here b is different sign, and we want to here equal b variable. So multiply third equation by this coefficient b's coefficient 5 and this coefficient 3, multiply 4 equation. Then you will get, see, 5 2s are 10a, 5 3s are 15b is equal to 15 5s are 75. That is your fifth equation. Again multiply this fourth equation by 3, a 3s are 24a, 5 3s are 15b, 77 3s are 231. See here b's coefficient same, also different sign, so adding equation 5 and 6, then you get, say, right here one by one again, which is, this is a fifth equation and this is your again sixth equation. And now add these two equation, then 10a plus 24a 34a, minus 15b plus 15b cancel, 75 plus 231 is a 306, 34 multiply become divide, okay. Then you know 34, yes, you can be cancelled by 17 table, 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 ones are 17, okay, that is here 13 remainder. Then 136 become 2, then 17 8s are 136, and again 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So your answer a is equal to 9, okay. Then from this a value we have to find b's value also. So put a is equal to 9 in equation 3. See which third equation, 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Put this a is equal to 9, this equation third, then instead of a you write here 9, 2 9s are 18, minus 3b is equal to 15, plus 18 become minus, then minus 3b is equal to 15 minus 80. Your answer minus 3, because here smaller minus bigger, so bigger number sign, minus 3. This minus 3 multiply become, this minus 3 multiply become divide, therefore b is equal to minus 3 upon minus 3. Minus minus plus, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. b is equal to 1, and you know a is equal to 9. But you know now 1 upon x, see here 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b. Then 1 upon x, instead of a write 9. Then x is equal to, see, take reciprocal or cross multiplication. You know 9 means 9 upon 1. If you cross, then 9 multiply become divide, and x here on the denominator become numerator, means x is equal to 1 upon 9. And you know 1 upon y is equal to b, therefore 1 upon y is equal to, instead of b you write 1, and 1 upon y is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of given equation. I think understand. Okay. Then second, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. See here, write this equation. 10 multiply by, see, denominator separate, means 1 upon x plus y plus 2, 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. That is first equation. Here also second equation, 15 1 upon x plus y minus 5, 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now take this 1 upon x plus y is equal to m. You can take any variables, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to 9. So instead of 1 upon x plus y you write, yes, which equation? See here 10m. See here, write m. Okay, 10m plus 2 and is equal to 4. That is your third equation. And here also 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. That is your fourth equation. Multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. See here, n's coefficient we want to same because they have different sign. So fourth equation, in fourth equation which is coefficient n? 5. So multiply third equation by 5 and multiply fourth equation by this 2. Okay, then 5 10s are 50m, 5 2s are 10m, 5 4s are 20. That is your fifth equation. And 2 15 2s are 30m minus 5 2s are 10n is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 4. That is your sixth equation. Say again here, coefficient of n same and also different sign, that's why adding equation 5th and 6th, then you will get, see here, adding equation 5th and 6th, then see here, if you add these two equation, 50 plus 30 it's 80m, plus 10 minus 10n cancel. Okay, 20 minus 4 16, therefore m is equal to 16. This 80 multiply become divide. So write here 16 upon 80, not 80 upon 60. Okay, 16 upon 80. Then you know 16 1s are 16, 16 5s are 80. That is 1 upon 5. Put m is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation third. Which third equation? 10m plus 2n is equal to 4. Then instead of m you put 1 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then 2 1s are 2 plus 2n is equal to 4. Plus 2 become here minus 2. See here, 4 minus 2 2, n is equal to 2 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, n is equal to 1. Okay, but you know 1 upon x plus y is equal to m, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. So instead of m you put value 1 upon 5, instead of n you put value 1. So become here cross multiplication, 5 1s are 5, x plus y 1s are x plus y, x plus y is equal to 5. That is your 7th equation. And here x minus y is equal to 1. That is your 8th equation. Now see, again solve this 7 and 8 equation up to x and y's value get. Okay, therefore x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. That is add equation 7 and 8. Addition, plus y minus y cancel, x plus x 2x, 5 plus 1 6, 2 multiply become divide. Okay, then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, x is equal to 3. Now again put x is equal to 3 in equation 7. Which 7 equation? See, x plus y is equal to 5. So put here value of x, 3 plus y is equal to 5, means y is equal to 5 minus 3, plus 3 become minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 2, means x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is the solution of given equation. Okay, understand? It's very important for your board exam. Okay, now let's third equation. In the third equation, see here, 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. See here, 27, take denominator separate, 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. This is your first equation. Here also 31 1 upon x minus 2. See, numerator and denominator separate. Plus 27 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Now let 1 upon x minus 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Any variables take, but here I am taking m and n variable. So instead of 1 upon x minus 2, see here, instead of 1 upon x minus 2, I write here m, 27m plus 31n. Instead of 1 upon y plus 3, is n is equal to 85. That is third equation. Here also 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Is the fourth equation. You know, here see both equation carefully. Coefficient of m in third equation is same as the coefficient of n in fourth equation, and coefficient of n and the coefficient of m in both equation is also opposite. Okay, means same. Then adding equation third and fourth, that time you first add and then subtract. We already learn about that. Okay, so adding equation third and fourth, we get 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. Third equation, 31n plus 27n is equal to 89. That is your fourth equation. So add these 58m, 58n, say addition 174. First 58 I take common here, m plus n in the bracket is equal to 174. Then 58 multiply become divide. So m plus n is equal to 174 upon 58. Therefore m plus n is equal to, you know, 58 ones are 58. If you multiply 58 into 3, then 3 8s are 24. Or carry 2, 5 3s are 15, 16, 70. That is 58 ones are 58, 58 3s are 174. So m plus n is equal to 3. That is fifth equation. Now subtracting equation 3 from 4. So you must write here first fourth equation. See here, and then third equation. Therefore subtracting means different sign. So sign changes, plus become minus, plus c become minus, plus become minus. You know 31 minus 27 is a 4m, and 27 minus 31, bigger number sign, subtraction but bigger number sign, so minus 4n is equal to 4. Again here 4 take common, 4 minus n is equal to 4, 4 multiply become divide, then m minus n is equal to 4 upon 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, means m minus 1 is equal to 6, that is your sixth equation. Now solve this, see, m plus n is equal to 3 and m minus n is equal to 1. Now both equations now solve, means adding this fifth and sixth equation, then you will get, see, adding this, then you will get adding equation third, fifth and sixth, m plus n, m minus n, in this m plus m 2m plus n minus n cut, 3 plus 1 4, 2 multiply become divide, 4 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, means m is equal to 2. Now this put m is equal to 2 in equation fifth, means instead of m 2 plus n is equal to 3 plus 2 become minus 3 minus 2 1. Okay, both variables of both variables value now you got. Therefore now 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m, and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Instead of m and n you write here 2 and here 1, means put the values. Therefore 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2, cross multiplication, 1 1s are 1, 2 multiply this x minus 2. Okay, then solve the bracket, 1 as it is, 2x minus 2 2s are 4. Okay, understand, this minus 4 become plus 4, that's why I write here 2x is equal to 4 plus 1 or maybe 1 plus 4, you may any write, and then 4 plus 1 5 and 2 multiply become divide. It is very important step, understand. Now see here, again cross, y plus 3 1s are y plus 3, 1 1s are 1, plus 3 become minus 3, then 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, understand, that is x is equal to 5 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 2 is the solution of given equation. I think understand this third sum. Okay, now let's see fourth equation. See here, 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now see, this is first equation and this is now this solve. See here, denominator both side 2 2 and here 8. Okay, means they are both side divided by 2, means cancelize 2 2 2. So if you cancelize denominator 2 2, then multiplying both side by 2, then we get, see here, both side multiply by 2, then 1 upon 2 3x plus y multiply by 2, means first term multiply by 2 minus second term multiply by 2, and this on RHS minus 1 upon 8 multiply by 2. Why? Because cancel the 2. So 2 2 cancel, here 2 2 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, understand. Then which second equation here, 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 4, that is your second equation. Now let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. Then what you get, m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. See, m plus 1 from first equation. See here, which is first equation here, 1 upon 3x plus y, here write m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, now to cancelize this 4 denominator, so multiply both side by 4, then 4m plus 4n, this 4 if you multiply 4 cut, means only 3 here remaining on RHS, that is your third equation. This is your 4m plus 4n is equal to 3, this is your third equation. Now see second equation, here also m minus n is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Here also multiplying both side by 4, then you here get, okay, 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. Cancel here 4 denominator and here become multiply. That's why 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. See here, plus 4n minus 4n. Same coefficient of n and also different sign. That's why adding equation 3 and 4, if you add this equation 3 and 4, then say 4m plus 4m, add this 8m, cancel, plus 4n minus 4n, cancel, 3 minus 1 2 means m is equal to 8 multiply become divide 2 upon 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 upon 4. Put m is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 3. Which third equation? 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. So instead of m you write 1 upon 4 plus 4n is equal to 3 as it is. 4 4 cut, 1 plus 4n as it is equal to 3. Plus 1 become minus. Therefore 4n is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. 4 multiply become divide. So n is equal to 2 upon 4. N is equal to 1 upon 2. Now these m and n values now again put, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m take, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n take. Instead of m and n put the values, that is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, now make cross multiplication. Then what you, 4 1s are 4, 3x plus y 1s are 3x plus y. Therefore 3x plus y is equal to 4. That is your fifth equation. Here also cross, then 3x minus y is equal to 2. That is your sixth equation. Here plus y and minus y. When you add these two equations, then both cancel because of different sign. So adding equation 5th and 6th, 3x plus y is equal to 4, 3x minus y is equal to 2. See, 3 plus 3, 6x, plus y minus y cut, 4 plus 2, 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 multiply become divide 6 upon 6 means 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. X is equal to 1 and put x is equal to 1 in equation 5th. See which fifth equation? This one, 3x plus y is equal to 4. So instead of x write 1, 3 1s are 3 plus y is equal to 4. Plus 3 become minus 4 minus 3 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of given equation. I think all of you understand this 1.4. So thank you very much. Now this video, share, like and subscribe. Okay.